Hello, our art friends. Today in Kirikanjo, we are going to learn how to draw blue from If the Movie. So let's start drawing. First, draw a circle for the eye. And then 2 more circles inside for the iris and the pupil. Color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Repeat the same steps for the other eye. Draw a long curved line under the eyes and a half circle under it for the smiley mouth. Add a tiny curve at each corner. Then draw the teeth inside, at the top and the bottom. Draw 2 lines inside the mouth for the tongue. Then draw an eyebrow over each eye. Make some random spikes at the top of the head for the hair. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then extend the curved line coming down from each side, stopping at the level of the mouth. At the left side, draw a thumb. Then draw 3 more fingers, overlapping, so that the hand would be waving. Extend the line from the last finger, going down, and make a letter U at the bottom for the arm. Then make a curve to connect it to the thumb. On the right side, extend the curved line going down, then slightly to the left to make the right arm. Draw 3 fingers overlapping and extend the line from the last finger to finish the arm. Draw a small line at the top of the hand, then a curved line coming down from the bottom of the hand. Draw a similar curved line coming down from the left side. Draw a horizontal line coming out from each end for the feet. Then connect them together in the middle with a thin upside down letter U. If stands for imaginary friend. Now you can draw blue from If the Movie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve the fur texture on the body, grab a coloring pencil with a darker shade and make short strokes in different directions close to each other. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light's reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.